Hey guys, John again from the Vitesse studio with another beautiful model here. Today we have a 390 Duke. This is the 2019 version. Of course, our products do fit 2013 and up. Today we'll be installing frame sliders, bar ends, and spools. Pretty simple installation. We're sure you'll love these products. So let's get to it. Alright guys, the 390 Duke. Such a beautiful bike, presented a great challenge for our team, but also the perfect opportunity to create the most beautiful frame slider for this bike. This is our frame slider adapter bar. Beautiful chamfers, great overall design, complements the trellis frame here. This is our stealth gray color, complements the darker portions of the bike while just looking beautiful. So let's go ahead and install the frame sliders on this. Pretty straightforward installation. First thing we're going to want to do is remove these two bolts with 6mm socket. Right here I'm using a hex socket here. One thing I do want to clarify, the bolts that go in these two holes are the smaller of the two sizes. Gone ahead and pre-assembled this kit. Make sure the Vitesse logo is sticking up. Once we have the bolts inside, we can go ahead and place a drop of thread locker on each bolt. Once we've got that, we can go ahead and align it. Make sure it sits firmly on the frame, and we'll begin by threading it by hand, making sure the thread catches correctly internally. Get my torque wrench here, tighten it to recommended specs. Now that we have that, we can go ahead and grab our frame slider puck and adapter here. Now again, it's going to be a slightly bigger bolt with washer. Go ahead and place it inside. Again, and drop the thread locker at the end. For this, we're using an 8mm hex socket. I'll start it off by hand first. Make sure that thread catches correctly. We can adjust our torque wrench here to recommended specs. Alright, once that's fully tightened, we are now complete with the installation of the frame sliders. The left side is completely the same. We're going to go ahead and repeat the steps on that side, and we can move on to the next product. Next, we'll be moving on to the easier products on the 390 Duke. Pretty simple installation here. We grab our 5mm hex socket here. You use an Allen key. Really depends on how strong this bolt is on here. It was pretty straightforward. Got that removed. Now grab the Vitesse bar end with the correct bolt here. Place one drop of thread locker at the end. Go ahead and place the adapter firmly against the handlebar here and begin threading this by hand, making sure that that Vitesse logo is sticking up. So I have that. I can go ahead and torque it to recommended specs. Once that's fully tightened, that completes the installation of the bar end. Same procedure on the left. Now we have gone ahead and installed the spools already. These are our low profile Tactique series spools with an M10 bolt, ready to prop up your bike and work on it once you put it on a stand. If you require any installation guidance video, the link will be right below. This now concludes the installation of our current offerings from our Tactique series: frame sliders, bar ends, and spools. More products are coming to this bike, so be sure to check out our website constantly. If you don't already, be sure to follow us on our Instagram and Facebook pages. Be sure to check out more of our videos and stay tuned for the next one.